good, everybody on YouTube? And as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, your boy hit on some Yeezys. And it's not just any Yeezys. You know which ones. It's the foam runners. How many people in the comment section, let me know, have you ever hit on the foam runners? Because this is going to be my first time, you know. I'm just now starting to hit on Yeezy slides.
I was going to say, tell them how goated you are. You hit on Yeezy Supply.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't tell y'all about that, but I'll get into that. But
goated.
We're going to pick up some foam runners. We're going to the Galleria downtown in Houston because they have an Adidas store there. And if you didn't know, Adidas has two apps. They have the Confirmed app, and then they have the regular Adidas app. The regular Adidas app, depending on your location, they have stores that get Yeezys, and you can basically put in for the raffle. You can basically put in like a raffle like you would JD Sports, Finish Line, you know, whatever, for Yeezys, and then pick them up in stores. So I saw it. They sent me a notification. I'm like, okay, I'll enter. You know, I didn't think nothing of it because I'm like, you know, I never hit on it. But then I'm sitting down at lunch, and I look up. It was like, you were selected. And I was like, I was like, let's go. I ain't gonna house y'all. I was really like, let's go. I was like, let's go. I finally get to see what these look like in person. Get to try them on, you feel me? See if they comfortable or not. See what the hype's about. And they basically, you know, give y'all content so y'all can see, y'all can get my point of view on it, our point of view on it. Yeah. So we hit on that. We on the way to the mall right now. We trying to fight through dodging week through traffic. You know, so we gonna get to the mall. This mall is huge. We gonna try to find the right entrance so we can get there ASAP.
Get in and get out because we got plans.
Yeah, we got some other stuff that, I mean, if y'all want to, y'all can come along with us. We got brunch reservations. Hey, you know what? I can have a blessed one for it. Come on, we gonna take you with us to brunch. Get something to eat. I'm gonna show you the menu, and then yeah, we gonna pick these shoes up, and then also your boy hit on the Flex app. So the Flex app is either Champs, Foot Action, or Foot Locker. Yeah. And basically, the only way how you hit is if you have a lot of points. I know today the Obsidian 13s dropped. I wasn't really pressed over them. Yeah. I didn't really care to go for them. I was gonna do a live cop for the Yeezys today on Yeezy Supply, but I went to sleep so late last night. I did not.
You had to get crispy, y'all see my man crispy.
I had to do a little something with the Clippers.
A little slide, my sexy man.
But I had to do a little something with the Clippers, but I didn't wake up in time. I was not going to be able to make that drop. But, you know, we got other content ready for you guys. But, yeah, like I said, I hit on the Flex app. So, Foot Action, Foot Locker, and Champs, they do, raffles or whatever. And then basically, the more points you have, the more likely you are to hit. And I've never, ever hit on that app. So, I feel like I'm getting all my Dragon Balls together for being, you know, a true sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? Because there's really levels to this. Yeah. It really is. There's people that like shoes and, you know, woo, but you feel me? I'm getting all the tiers. Yeah. So let me know. I feel like I've gotten most of them. I just feel like I need I didn't hit on one shoe that goes for like over $1,000 or something like that. Yeah. Resale wise. For retail. And I feel like I'd be set. I've done everything that a sneakerhead could possibly do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, outside of that, we gonna pick those up today. We gonna go to brunch. You know, we just gonna basically have a nice little decent vlog. So y'all stay tuned. And then yeah, we gonna see you whenever we get to the Galleria. And we gonna look at these Yeezys. So let's get it. Let's go. So we back in the car now. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. They was real nice at the Adidas store. Somebody honking at us?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, somebody, they was real nice at the Adidas store. They was just like, oh yeah.
What did they say? Cause
I don't remember. They was just being
very
nice. Yeah, they was just being nice.
Overall, great customer service.
But yeah, like y'all saw at the counter, foam runners, I didn't know, but they basically come sealed as if it's like a package that gets sent to your house. It's like, it has tape on it already. We'll take a look at it later because we about to pull up the brunch right now. But yeah,
enjoy the experience.
So you know nobody messed with your stuff. Yeah. It's literally you that opened it. So we gonna unbox that bad boy together whenever we get to the house. We also gotta pick up another shoe, so we about to.
It's Yoda behind me. That's who is your honking.
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, we about to pull up the brunch. We got an extra seat for you. So, but yeah, so we about to go to brunch, and then after this, we gonna grab the shoes from. I think it's Foot Action. I think that's what I hit on. And then yeah, I appreciate y'all for sticking for the whole video. So let's go. You're welcome. Alright, y'all. About hop in the whip. Got grab these.
Brunch was definitely 1. The bean is a 0. Okay? Yeah. Brunch won that. But that's okay. Because if y'all seen, we was with my bestie, Ashton. My bestie Yoda, Ashton's cousin, and Ashton's cousin's homegirl, Kyla. We love Kyla. So it's gonna take us about, I don't know how long to get to the sneakers, but it's gonna take us about 25 minutes to get home.
We're about to get these 13s. Like I said, this is the first time I ever hit on the Flex app, so I don't care about what they going for. I know she don't want them. If y'all want this size 7, hit me up in the comments. But yeah, we gotta go pick these up, and then yeah, we gonna go home, look at these foam runners, and we'll get this video out to y'all. So appreciate y'all for sticking into the video, but I don't even know where it's at. I think it's a mall. It's like we gotta get to the mall, so we gonna see y'all there. So let's get it. Email the receipt, please. Alright, have a good one, boss. Alright, y'all, got both of the packages. I mean, not packages, both of the shoes. Now it's time to go home. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we back at the crib. Adidas bag, the main reason why you even watching this video. And then my first W on the Flex app, with the Flex program, you feel what I'm saying? So I'm happy about this. They don't really go for much, don't really care, because at the end of the day, it's like it's points. And if anybody's watching this, you need to start building them points if you want to start hitting on that app. I got 200,000. I'm trying to hit 1 million. So we gonna see. Hopefully I can hit it soon. But yeah, we gonna start with the main reason why you here, because you probably like, man, I done watched this whole video and I ain't seen no Yeezys yet. Hopefully you ain't skipped to the end of the video either. But yeah, I got these. I had to pull out the Yeezy slides because, you feel me, we gonna compare them. You know what I'm saying? Might as well, since we got both of them. So got this, don't need the bag. Receipts in the bag, we're gonna toss that off. But yeah, as you can see, this box got it sealed here. The dude that worked there was basically like, it's sealed for better customer experience or whatever. I'm like, okay, buddy. I guess. But essentially, if you pay resale for these, this isn't going to be sealed, because obviously people are going to open it, look at it, legit check it, you know, whatever app you're going to use, it's not going to come like this. But it's literally on the outside, it's like a brown box. You would have never known, you know what I'm saying? On the side here, read size 12. That's what size I hit on. So because this is basically an unboxing, got the knife. I'm gonna take a look at these bad boys. Now I have seen the boxes like on the inside. Let's take a look. Let's see. Yeah, just lift this up. Got that foam. Peel that thing back, and voila, you got the foam runners. So, ooh, first impression, these feel a lot softer than the Yeezy slides. And it's so weird because that has, I'm gonna show you a B-roll of it, but on the inside of it, it has the size tag on there, which is actually kind of weird. I'm not gonna hold you. Let me pull out the other one. Here's the other one. You go see here? Oh, okay. So basically, it's an inside out Yeezy box. So normally you would have it like on the outside, like the Yeezy slide box, but it says foam runner. And then size tag on the inside with the name of it, size 12. A little bit stealthy approach. I like it. If you own a pair of foam runners, let me know in the comment section below. This is my first pair. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's safe to say this is gonna be a personal. Who knows? I don't know where I'm gonna really wear it. I'll keep it around. It might be an everyday sandal or what do you call this? What do you call this? Is this a sneaker? Is this a sandal? Is this, you feel me? Is this like a slide? Like, I'm kind of confused. Y'all let me know in the comment section which I feel like the name is. We're gonna put the box down. But yeah, so I mean, this is just one colorway, but when we're looking at the silhouettes, now which one, I feel like a lot of people are going to agree on the Yeezy slide in the comment section because it's the most universal, even though whenever they first came out, everybody was saying that they were gel slides, but hey, look at the resale prices on them now. It's crazy. So, you know, hype drives the styles that are worn and, you know, put on TikTok and everything. So yeah, so now this is a thing. Yeezy slides or foam runners, y'all let me know in the comment section below. We get some nice B-roll of the sides of pretty much everything of the shoe so you can get an up closer look. Foam runner Ochres. I don't know how you say it. Y'all can correct me if y'all want. I have no clue how to say this. But yeah, I've showed some people at work and they've said that this is a crazy shoe. So y'all let me know if this is something that it's like, oh yeah, I want them really bad, or is it something that it's like only resellable, or is this something that you're rocking? Is this something that you're putting a fit together with? Y'all let me know in the comment section. I hit on it for retail, so picked it up at the Adidas store. That's the first W of that store. First W on the Adidas app, in store. First W on Foot Action, in store. Can't complain. So that's it for these. I'm gonna put these to the side, and then not too many people are really hype about these. These also came out today, which is going to be the Obsidian 13s in a size 7. I don't know what the men's box looks like, but if I was to imagine, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a normal gray box. It normally look like this, but yeah, size 7 wide. Look, the crazy thing is like on the Flex app, it's Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and basically you can enter the raffle for shoes, and then you got to spend like 500 Flex points in order to add extra entries, and you get 3 extra entries. For this, I didn't add any extra entries. Of course, I didn't win off the bat, but I did get waitlisted, and then out of nowhere I got that notification and it was like, you've basically won. So basically you can either pick it up, and then I'll put a screenshot of it if you've never hit on it, so when you do hit, this is exactly what it's going to look like. Yeah, I got these 13. I'm gonna get some good B-roll of these, but I wasn't really too much of a fan. I mean, I like 13s, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to a colorway like this, you have white, you kind of have like a university blue, and then a navy blue. Now the leather quality on these are actually better, okay? These are nice quality on these. Like, if you like 13s, this is probably gonna be an easy cop for you. Now I know this video is gonna be releasing today, which is the release day, the 18th. So whenever the 19th rolls around, and whenever you watch this video, because you have my notification bell on and you're here for every video, I appreciate you, by the way. But tomorrow they basically let go of the pairs that weren't collected today. So if you do want these and you want to basically build your points, I say grab them. Now the reason why I say grab them is because yes, it may not have a lot of resale on a third-party market, but look at it this way. So say you buy the shoes, all right, these cost $150. If I sell them on StockX, it's like $130. Okay, I lose $20, but I have points now. I have points building on my account, and it shows that my account is active and I've hit on a reservation, you know. So they're looking my way like, okay, this is person that is heavily into our products, and we need to basically give this person more opportunities to get limited releases. So that's why I picked these up. It wasn't about, oh, you know, these are gonna resell. Like, no, these aren't reselling. I'll take a $20 loss. I'd rather take a $20, $30 loss than having to basically go to a store and like buy an unnecessary shoe that I don't want and then lose $100 plus $200 plus dollars and not resell it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like better than personal pairs because it's like you only pay $30 for the points. And sometimes you might buy shoes that you might not even wear. So I'm not really too much of a fan of these because your boy got the Flints. So if you got the Flints, I don't know. I mean, I guess you can rock with these. That's up to you, but y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about these. I don't know if too many people really went after them. Let me know. Outside of that, I appreciate y'all for rolling with me today. This is the end of the video. We're gonna wrap this thing up. You know, go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and then go ahead, hit that like button, all the notification bells. I post pretty frequently. I try to post. I want to get into like doing other stuff. Like if you wanted me to get into any type of reactions or any type of like different videos from me, just let me know. If you want to see like gameplay or anything, because originally I made this channel to basically do everything that I pretty much can do, because I can like cut hair, you know, I play the game, you know, I like shoes, of course. This is like the easiest thing to really make content about, so I do it. But like outside of that, like y'all let me know, because I'm down to do some other stuff on the channel, but if y'all not willing to watch, there's no point of even, you know, wasting my time with it. I might as well just do it on my own. Y'all let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Hope y'all had fun with me. Well, I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna see you in the next video. So see you then. Now, let's go.